To castle on Duolingo chase, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide castle on the Duolingo chase. But before that, you should know the rule of castling. Castling is a special chess move involving the king and the rook, and it can only be done if king and rook haven't moved yet. No pieces between the king and the rook, and king is not in check and does not pass through or land in the square under attack. So to castling on Duolingo, you just need to open the Duolingo app and tap on the chess, and you just need to start the game with a player. So I'll simply tap on it. So currently this is the basic level which they teach you. So if you are playing the real game, you just need to select the king by tapping it. So I'll simply select the king like this. So if I select the kings, you just need to move the king 2 square towards the rook. So I'll simply move 2 square towards it. So after moving the king 2 squares towards the rook automatically jumps over the king to the correct square and it automatically comes towards the base. So that's it. That's how you can do the castle on Duolingo chess. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.